Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today's gunpla video is just a quick one. The big difference is that it will be my wife who is going to build the kit. And here we have the box of the Gundam SD RX-78-2. Inside we only have 5 runners, 4 that are PS plastic and 1 that is PE for the polycaps, and also some color corrective stickers. A quick look on the manual. The texture of the paper is matte compared to the visual glossy type paper on other kits. Feel free to pause anytime if you want to check the contents. Let's open up the bags. Here are the color corrective stickers for the eyes, shield, torso, skirt, and the feet. Here you can see my wife attaching the eye stickers. She builds the kit by body parts and then attaching the corresponding stickers. Here's a different angle of our desk. She was having a hard time attaching the V-fin stickers because of its shape. She's building the torso here. I sometimes help with cleaning up the knobs. Here she already finished the upper limbs and continuing with the lower limbs and waist. And finally connecting the body parts together. Next up are for the accessories, the weapons and shield, and its stickers. Here are some quick poses. And as for my final thoughts, you can't go wrong with a quick and easy kit that is an SD. Just keep in mind the limitations of the design. It is a good beginner kit, not just for being easy, but also for the low price point. Because of that, my overall rating for this is a 7 out of 10. So, what do you guys think? Was an SD your first kit or something else? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please do hit the like and subscribe button. It really helps us a lot. And as always, thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye bye!